Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a cute dog. It's going to be easy and for beginners. I'm going to be using this. This is a Crayola brand marker. You can use anything you want. I like using this. They're available everywhere. But like I said, you can use a pencil, pen, anything, okay? So you can either watch me do this, take a relax, chill, sit back, or you can draw with me. So let's get started. Curved line here at the top. The dog's head. Alrighty. So we have the top of the head there, and I'm going to pull over here on the left for the ear. Very simple, simplistic shape, and we're going to pull that down here next. Curve here. Then over here we're going to look into the ear. And I'm going to pull that line up. Over here on the other ear. In. Line out. And I'm going to go over here and draw that same shape down. You have that same triangle ear. So I'm going to pull in here. Curved line, and I'm going to have this curved line meet over here. Alrighty. And I'm going to make the dog winking. I think that's cute. I'm going to pull a line in here. And I'm going to draw a circle here for the snout. Curve over here. So you kind of have this like snout area. And I'm going to draw his eye. Like I said, I want it winking. So I'm going to draw a line over here on one side. And over here I'm going to draw the gravestone shape I usually draw. So that U shape. Line over here. And I'm going to draw the pupil and iris in there. Curve. Line here. Real simple so far. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. When you subscribe, it kind of lets you know when I post. I'm going to change the schedule up, I think. I'm going to post maybe 2 times every single weekday. Don't worry, it's not going to overwhelm your feed. I'm trying. It's not going to happen. It's probably going to let you know about every 2 to 3 videos I put out. But that's pretty much it. So absolutely, like I said, subscribe so it lets you know about anything I do. Because you can, like I said, if you like learning your favorite characters, things of that sort, you will like that. Okay, now I'm going to pull a line over here, completing that head. Well, pulling here, pulling down. Oh, I'm going to connect this actually. Yeah. I'm going to draw the nose, and the nose is going to be a slight V shape here, very slight. Pulling up here, and the top of the nose is going to be more on the square side. So generally, like when you draw like a cat, it tends to be like an upside down triangle, and then when you draw a dog, it tends to be more of a squarish shape as far as the nose is good. Circle here at the end for the highlight. kind of fixing that line. So let's go down to the body. I'm going to go down and pull a line here for the back of the neck here. And I'm going to actually pull a U shape here for the nose. And I draw a line in the middle of that for that to show that tongue. Okay. Now I'm going to pull a straight line down for the front of the foot. Pull a straight line down here for the other foot. Alright. Curve line over here where he's sitting down. Another curve, like a C curve over here for the kind of like the hind leg kind of scrunched up, sitting down. Another similar shape for the foot sitting on the floor, okay? Straight line at the bottom. And we're going to pull the line all the way down. Going over here, continuing down, and then we're going to draw the paws. So I'm going to draw a circle shape. Pull up. And at the bottom here, I'm going to curve that. Down here. Curve shape. Curve shape. And I'm gonna, like I'm splitting up the feet right here, the paws. I'm putting that line there to show that, you know, he's got little paws and you know, they're separated out. The last thing, don't worry, stick around. The last one is going to be the tail. I'm going to draw a line up. And I'm going to draw a line up here for this tail. You could probably change the tail up, to be honest. You could probably draw it a different way, but I just chose to draw it that way. That's it. That's a cute dog. You did it. You are amazing. Watch me. It's chill. Chill time just to hang out. That is it. I am Enrique. Like I said, say hi to me in the comment section if you hear my voice right now. And that means you got the entire thing. And that is it. Let me know what you want to see on this channel. I will do it. I am updating constantly. And yeah, that is it. Go check out the Skillshare program I have. I have hour-long lessons on Skillshare on how to draw anatomy, how to draw dragons, and how to draw all kinds of stuff on there. So go take a look at that. Thank you so much. I will see you